Hello everyone, friends on the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to delete an Epic Games account without email access. There's only one way to do this. First we need to find the Epic Games support address. To do this, I open my browser, type in Epic Games contact email, and find the email address we'll be contacting. There, and we need to create a ticket. So I went to my email. You can go to yours. And I click the compose button. Here we need to enter the Epic Games support email address. There, and write the following. I want to delete my Epic Games account, but I lost access. Is that how you spell it? Something like that. To my linked email, right? To my linked email address. And then write hello. In the message body, write the same thing, but after that, write here is and put your username here. Yes, that is your username. Your email address that was linked. I don't know if the word is lasted. So here's this email. And if you have it, it'd be good to include my account ID here. There, you can find the account ID in your Epic Games profile. Maybe you saved it somewhere, perhaps in screenshots or in some emails. Also, try to provide info about your purchases. This is really important. Like if you have any receipts or bills to confirm your ownership of this account. Here I have payments transactions and I can see what I bought on the account. Maybe you got receipts in your email. Attach them here and hit send. That's it. This is Weller. See you everyone.